Hi guys, what's going on? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your Twitch stream key in a few easy steps. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, and I promise you there's nothing complicated. It's gonna be a very quick tutorial. So let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how. First, open Twitch and how to find your Twitch stream key. Just click on your profile picture here next to get bits. And now go in settings, and from here you can actually go in channel and videos, and here is your primary stream key. But I advise you to don't share it with anyone else except you, of course, because it's important key, and you can copy it, you can reset it if you want it, and now you reset it. So yep, that was how to find your Twitch stream key. And yep, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.